My YouTube channel. The New Holland tractor is a powerful and versatile machine designed to revolutionize modern farming with its superior performance, durability, and efficiency. Engineered with cutting-edge technology and precision, this tractor meets the demands of both small and large-scale farmers, ensuring maximum productivity in every operation. Whether plowing, tilling, seeding, harvesting, or transporting heavy loads, this tractor provides unmatched power and efficiency, making it an essential tool for agricultural success. One of the standout features of the New Holland tractor is its powerful and fuel-efficient engine. Built to deliver high horsepower while maintaining optimal fuel consumption, the tractor allows farmers to work longer hours without frequent refueling, reducing operational costs. The advanced engine technology minimizes emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option without compromising on performance. With its reliable engine, the tractor ensures smooth operation on various terrains, from soft soil to rocky landscapes, guaranteeing uninterrupted workflow in all conditions. The transmission system of the New Holland tractor is designed for ease of use, efficiency, and durability. With multiple gear options, operators can easily select the appropriate speed for different tasks, ensuring optimal performance in every operation. The seamless shifting mechanism allows for smooth transitions between gears, reducing wear and tear on the engine and extending the tractor's lifespan. This advanced transmission system enhances fuel efficiency, ensuring that farmers can get the most out of every drop of fuel while maximizing productivity. A robust hydraulic system is another key feature of the New Holland tractor. The high-capacity hydraulics enable easy attachment and operation of a wide range of implements, including plows, seeders, harrows, loaders, and trailers. This versatility allows the tractor to perform multiple functions, eliminating the need for multiple machines and reducing overall investment costs. The hydraulic system is designed for precision and efficiency, allowing operators to complete tasks with minimal effort and maximum output. Comfort and ease of operation are prioritized in the design of the New Holland tractor. The spacious, ergonomically designed cabin provides a comfortable working environment, allowing operators to work long hours without fatigue. The adjustable seating, intuitive control panel, and excellent visibility contribute to an improved user experience. Advanced noise and vibration reduction technology further enhance comfort, ensuring that the operator can focus on tasks without unnecessary distractions. The climate control system within the cabin provides a comfortable environment in all weather conditions, allowing work to continue regardless of the season. Safety is a top priority in the New Holland tractor, with advanced safety features designed to protect both the operator and the machine. The tractor is equipped with a sturdy rollover protection structure (ROPS) to provide maximum safety in the event of accidental overturns. The advanced braking system ensures precise stopping power, even when carrying heavy loads, allowing for safe operation on slopes and rough terrains. The advanced lighting system enhances visibility, enabling safe work during low light conditions or at night. These safety measures ensure that farmers can operate the tractor with confidence in any environment. The New Holland tractor's tires and traction system are designed to provide maximum stability and control on all types of terrain. Whether working in muddy fields, hilly landscapes, or dry soil, the tractor maintains excellent grip, reducing slippage and increasing efficiency.